In this video, we'll show you how to program your Encore washer for pricing. Pricing can be programmed in dollars and cents. First, remove the coin box. Inside, there is a black plastic button. Press the button once. The 4-digit LED display will change to your machine's pricing mode. You can set each digit to correspond to your desired price. To do this, simply press the button until it reflects the value of your choice. Once you've set your price, press the Start key to save it. Repeat these steps to change the pricing at any point. For more information about programming pricing for your washer, please refer to the user manual.